Masi Osar.
Osar, a unique wine made from one of the most historic and exotic grapes variety, Oseleta. You remember, Raffaele, you are my son, and you should take note of this. When I found the 4 vine of Prephyloxera of this Oseleta.
I do remember well.
Of course, I follow my father that he invented Campo Fiorin. I want to do something, and it came to me this idea, going to find our roots on viticulture, as the Oseleta is. I hope you can do something better in the future.
In the future. Perhaps really impressive to believe that in Valpolicella we can do such a big wine without using dried grapes, which is the Veronese system. And it's even very, very international taste. A lot of tannins, a lot of intensity, rich color, a sort of Valpolicella's Cabernet.
But a unique wine, so charming, and a big wine that can combine extremely well with the venison, with the wild meat, with the game in general, and with cheese, of course, like a big Cabernet.